Hello, my name is Lance. I'm a regional sales director. I have rated GMass a 5 out of 5. For more information, please click the link below. Previous to GMass, I had used Engage by ZoomInfo. It was just a little convoluted, a little too complex, a lot of moving pieces and parts. GMass just works. It's much simpler, much more intuitive, and it gets the results that I'm looking for. Well, the reason I picked GMass is I was paying for it initially with my own money, and I wanted something that worked and something that was very cost effective, and GMass fit that bill. It's simple, it's easy to use, and it puts me in contact with the customers I need to get in contact with. Getting started with GMass was pretty simple. There's lots of videos available on their site. There's also some videos on YouTube as well. Probably took me about 7 minutes to go through them all, and then I was up and running. Probably had done my first campaign within 10 minutes. So, very easy to use, very intuitive, and gets the results you need. If you're thinking about GMass, just try it. It works, it's money well spent, and the time that you get back that you can actually reach out and have conversations with the right customers, you'll thank me for recommending GMass.